Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas.
What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Tiera Monique. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me makeup tutorial. I know in the past I did how I grew my eyebrows during the pandemic, where I kind of did my makeup, but I didn't show you guys the full makeup tutorial. I know this video is highly requested, so I am going to show you how I do my makeup. Keep in mind, y'all, I am not a makeup artist. This is just how I do my makeup. I do not do anyone else's makeup but my own. So, okay, let's get that clear. I am not a makeup artist. This is how I do my makeup. Drop down in the comments, feel free to let me know things that I could have did different, and I'll try out your method. And let's get into this video. I have a black brow pencil. So what I do is I just take the brow pencil and I just put it under my eyes. Y'all be careful with this, do not poke your eye out.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the back.
The next thing I do is I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. The color, what color is this? The color is Fawn that I get in the concealer. And I just take it and I put it under my eyes. And I do this for, like, if you have darker circles under your eyes, which I do, I will put it under my eyes. And little dark spots that I have on my face, I also like just dab a little dot, and right here, and then right here, and right here. Guys, and to clean my face, I do use a turmeric soap and a turmeric clay facial mask as well. Turmeric is good for getting rid of dark spots and skin brightening your face for those blemishes. Okay, so now that I did that, the next thing that I do is I just basically brush up my eyebrows. And guys, for me, this is much easier when it's much easier when I have my eyebrows already done. It makes it go faster for me. I feel like I go through the struggle when I don't have my eyebrows done. So, okay, I have a LA Color medium pencil that I use for my eyebrows. So basically, I just shaded in all those light spots. I just basically color it in lightly. Okay, so I just shaded them in a little bit. You could tell the difference of me shading them in from before. If you can't, oh well. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, like I said, I guess this is like an angle brush, I guess. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so like drop down in the comments and let me know if this is an angle brush or not. But I take my concealer, now that I shaded my eyebrows, and I just squeeze some concealer out. Okay. And I go under my eyebrows.
When it's my truth, I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break?
Okay guys, so this is the way my eyebrows look as of now. So I'm gonna
catch a break, give a pretty brown girl I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Okay, now I'm gonna work my way to my eyebrows. I'm still gonna go back in and blend in my face, of course, but I'm just gonna work my way up and then come back to the bottom.
I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your like the sound. Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good. Put that on good when it gets
Okay, and I'm just gonna take my brush and just kind of
jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better.
and the color I used is Deep Profound. Yep.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings.
Okay, now I just have a regular brush, so I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna like just wipe around my eyes, under my eyebrows, over my eyebrows.
Far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind.
I'll be trying to get my hairline as best as possible. So this is a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. So I use this last on my face. This smells really good. Rimmel London, if I'm pronouncing that right. And I brought this off of Amazon. Well, I brought all of it from Amazon actually. And I did lie. That wasn't the last thing I do. So I do have this this eyebrow gel. So I use the eyebrow gel basically. I know a lot of people may use like edge control, regular gel, spritz, whatever on their eyebrows, but this worked just as good. But look, if you want a budget and gel and edge control work for you, that's fine. I just actually brought this just to try it out, watching someone else's YouTube channel, and I like it, so.
But for now, I tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather
get ready with me makeup tutorial. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave anything in a comment, whether good or bad. Let me know what I need to improve in. Let me know if you enjoy my techniques on how I do my makeup. And again, I am not a makeup artist. This is just how I do my makeup. Again, I don't do anyone else's makeup. So let me know how I did for my first time doing my makeup on camera for beginners. Till next time, guys, I will see you on the next video.